Good morning, YouTube. So we've had a break in the weather, so we've gone out for an early morning fish. We're gonna hunt you some big things, haven't we? Jeez! Flat calm. The weather last night was against us. It was nasty, but we've got a little window. It's like a pancake. It is like a pancake. Flat calm. We're gonna go catch some biggies now. Pump easier.
Ja. En je pump upwards, reel on the way down.
Feels decent. Well, we got dinner tonight anyway, boys and girls. Oh, it's coming up now.
I had a bite too. You filming, mate?
Yeah?
It's on there, isn't it?
Oh, she's on there, mate. Yeah, it's still there. It's a cod in it. Looks like a fucking cod to me, Marker. First fish in it. It's not small. Well, there's dinner anyway, mush. Oh, come off. No, come off. Yes.
Okay, side.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. You got it?
Yeah.
What a beast. Get back down there.
Yeah, we might move.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good, mate, it's well over £10. We having another drop here, or?
No, we're gonna move.
We're gonna move. Put that in there then.
Yeah, just put it there.
Put that in there. What a beast of a fucking fish. Look at that. That's the puppy we came for. It's my first cod, mate. What a beautiful fish. That'll be going in the frying pan later, baby. What you got there, mate? Oh, it's a big bob, 480 grammer. And this is the cyst hook. Big fish.